dust to dust. Whenever there's a lull between the void, you feel the silence laying wet on the couch. Think I need to figure this one out. I'm lost beneath your cloud, then I keep my 2 feet on the ground.